As an introduction of wind turbine is a device that converts kinetic energy into mechanical energy, which is then used to generate electricity. Wind turbines are a key technology in the realm of renewable energy as they harness the natural power of the wind to produce clean and sustainable electricity. So, as in the picture, show that the number one rotating generator converts wind energy to electricity, and then it go to number two. There is transformer increase the voltage for transmission to substation, and then it go through to number three. Substation increase voltage for transmission over long distance, and then number four, transmission to the grid. Okay, so the flow diagram is it's like kinetic, from kinetic into mechanical and then into electricity.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Akil Najmi bin Anwar and my student ID is 2021-8068. As for my part, I will be talking about applications of wind turbine. For wind turbine, it is mainly used for electricity generation. The wind turbine generates electricity from the kinetic energy of the wind into electrical power and uses that generated electricity to power a grid system or maybe to power a house or a city. Next, wind turbines could also be used in hybrid systems. Hybrid systems are basically a system where there's two or more different kinds of renewable energies, such as wind turbines and solar panels, wind turbines and hydropower plants. The hybrid systems ensures that there are more reliable and continuous power supply to the grid. Moving on. Another application of wind turbine is street lighting. Basically, the wind turbines generate electricity, providing energy to light in urban or remote areas. Next, since we are taking power electronics, these are the power electronic devices that are used in wind turbines. We have the generators that generate electricity from the kinetic energy of the wind. Most use permanent magnet synchronous generators (PMSG) or a self-excited induction generators. After AC voltage has been generated, it goes through a rectifier, then to a DC to DC converter, increasing the voltage while going through an inverter, which then continues into the grid. As you can see from the schematic shown, we have the PMSG generator, a rectifier, DC bidirectional DC to DC converter, inverter, and a transformer, which then continues the electricity to the grid.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Al-Hafiz bin Nurzi. So today I will present operation of wind turbines. The operation of wind turbine use blade to collect the wind's kinetic energy, wind flow over the blades creating lift, similar to the effect on airplane wings, which causes the blades to turn, and the blades are connected to a drive shaft that turns an electrical generator, which produce an electricity. So from here, the wind direction and will transfer the kinetic energy to the drive shaft, and the drive shaft will turn and turn the electric generator so that it can transfer the energy from kinetic energy to electric energy. Next.
Hi, my name is Andi Muhammad Reza bin Andi Amiruddin. So next is the wind turbine in the world. So there are 6 countries, which is China, United States, Germany, and India, Spain, and also United Kingdom. So the first one, which is China. China has been leader in the installation of wind turbine and has a significant capacity for wind power generation. The country has invested heavily in both onshore and also the offshore wind project. So next, the United States has the substantial installed capacity of wind turbine, particularly in states with strong wind resources. such as Texas and Iowa. Both onshore and offshore wind projects are gaining traction. Next is Germany is a pioneer in the development and use of wind energy. The country has a robust onshore wind sector and has expanding its offshore wind capacity. Next is India. India has been rapidly increasing its wind power capacity as part of its renewable energy targets. The country has vast potential for both onshore and offshore wind projects. Next is Spain. Spain has a notable presence in the wind energy sector, with both onshore and offshore wind farms contributing to its renewable energy mix. The last one is United Kingdom. So the UK has been investing in offshore wind projects, making it a global leader in the sector. Onshore wind is also a significant contributor to the country's renewable energy capacity. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Dina Ashraf bin Azilan, and now I will continue to present why is wind turbine. So there is 4 advantages, which is 1, clean and renewable. The wind energy is clean because it provides electricity without burning any fuel or polluting the air. It also natural and self-replenishing, and usually have a low or zero carbon footprint. Second, it is low operating costs and cost effective. Comparing to other forms of electricity generation, the operational and maintenance costs are low after installation. And the third, technological advancement. As the technology advances with age, the technology of the wind turbine also keep improving their efficiency, making the wind energy is more cost effective and reliable for the future. And the last one is for the advantages. It has abundance of resources. The energy resources, which is wind, is virtually limitless. However, there is also disadvantages of the wind turbine, and one of them is high initial cost. Even the operating cost is low, as mentioned before, the installation of wind turbine is quite expensive. The second disadvantage is intermittency. The speed of wind is not constant, and the wind turbines are strictly affected by the speed of the winds to generate electricity. That's all from me. Thank you.